Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpin here, and welcome to another model railroading video. Today I also have some more new rolling stock I want to share with you guys today. These are rolling stock I got from my local hobby store. I have 5 pieces that are new. So we're going to start off with the first piece I have is this one right here. This is an Aki rail kit. It is a 2-bay ACF covered hopper, which I got is the chassis system. I was very surprised I was able to find this, because I think this is like one of the few chassis rolling stock they had at their local train shop, so I picked this one up. Because I love the chassis system, and I'm pretty much a cat person. So I really like this. So I picked up this. This is actually really cool to get. And so I picked up one. And then the second of all is I picked up a Scaletrans Kit Classic rolling stock. So this one is, I picked up another C&W gondola, so I can add that to the UP train. So I really like these Kit Classic gondolas, they're very easy to build. So I get one. So second of all is Atlas Trainman gondola, the UP with the C&W reporting marks. So you can see, there it is. It looks very cool. It's another neat addition I can add to the UP train. And here is a Scaletrans operator unit, which is the KCLX car. And yeah, sorry, this is a Befcon. And yeah, and I just want to say, there's my cat right here. She's just very curious. So I'll just show my cat. She's just basically walking around the layout. So I'll show you more clips of her later. So got this Kansas City Power and Light Befcon Scaletrans. So that's pretty cool. And last but not least is actually probably my favorite one I have is this After Ready to Roll Rock Island gondola. So it's right here. So it's actually really cool in the bankruptcy blue scheme, and it's a very nice rolling stock. It was actually the most expensive one because it cost like $43. So yeah, so there's that, the Rock Island Befcon, KCLX Befcon, the UP with gondola, another C&W gondola, and of course the chassis hopper. So anyways, so that's going to basically do it all. And then I'll show you guys my cat here. Here she is. Hello Nala. She's a very cute cat. She's my little yard master today. She's a very cute cat. So yeah, and as you know, being a cat person, she seems to really love my hopper, and she's very playful, and I really like her so much. So, anyways, here she is. So, what do you think of this? Oh, she just wants to walk around. She seems to really like it. So, anyways, that's gonna do it for my little rolling stock update of what I bought at the train store. And you can see she seems to really like it, my train stuff. She likes to rub her head on it by stuff. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye.